Welcome to Blank Canvas Beauties. I'm Cassie.
And I'm Stacy.
And today we are going to show you the FabFitFun Starter Box.
We both got one.
Yes, we did. Oh my gosh. I didn't get a chance to get a starter box when I got my FabFitFun box. So when I was able to give out starter box, I called my cousin here and says, hey, you got to get one. Well, we ended up both getting one. But in this box, oh, it's great. You get the starter box catalog. This thing is big. It's gorgeous. Has all different types, tricks, tips, just different things you can frame, like this right here. Oh my gosh, we're totally framing it. And the adventure begins, but it's gorgeous, right? It's gorgeous. Now, granted, this is what probably was a springy type, box, but that's okay. I don't care. I like it. But FabFitFun, if you don't know what it is a seasonal box. It is $49.99, and it comes with some very luxe products in it. I didn't know what the starter box was going to have, and oh my god. We got a little note card saying what we got and how much it's worth, so we're going to go through that. Do you want to start?
Yeah.
Because they're exactly the same.
Yeah, well,
yeah.
Except for, did we get the same mask?
I think so.
Yep, exactly the same.
Yep.
Well, I'll start with the mask then, since I just pulled it out. It says, let's see, on the card, free people. It's an understated leather, starry-eyed travel eye mask in gray or mint. So I'm guessing we got the gray. And it is, this vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to help keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and a charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming among the stars.
It said removable?
Oh! Yeah, so then you can take it out and put it in the refrigerator.
Oh.
Yes, I have not put mine on yet.
It's cooling. It's already cooling, and we just took it out of the box.
Yeah, well, it's kind of cold outside.
Yeah, but it's been in my house for how long?
Oh, yours? Oh, not very long.
But gel stays cooling a long time. It feels really good.
Yeah, I haven't tried mine, but...
And how much is it worth?
It is a $40 value.
So $40 value. Now, mind you, okay, when you get a starter box, which I think we both have starter box codes. And when you get a starter box, it is $5?
Yeah, I paid $5 for all this stuff.
This alone was $40.
Yeah.
So, then the next thing, oh my goodness, is the Ahava. I hope I'm saying that right. Look at that.
She tried hers already. I haven't.
It's the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in, mine says water. Does yours say water? Right here? Yep. Both of them are water. Experience the wonders of the Dead Sea. No passport required. This mineral-rich hand cream instantly improves skin's moisture level, smoothing rough, dry skin, and restoring suppleness. Is that what it is? Suppleness?
Yeah, suppleness. Ooh,
right? Formulated with Dead Sea minerals, witch hazel, and allantoin. I hope I'm saying that one right.
Allantoin.
Tonin.
Like melatonin.
Oh, okay. It will protect your hands all season long. $33, and this is special size limited edition. So I don't even, this might be bigger than a full size.
Yeah, no, it feels awesome.
Amazing.
Yes.
And smells amazing.
It does smell really good. It doesn't have a...
It's not an overly powering floral scent. It's not overly powering citrusy scent.
It's hard to explain.
Oh, it smells like a flower that I know of, but it's not a floral scent.
Yeah, no, it's very...
It smells clean.
Yeah.
It smells very clean. Sorry about the glare behind us. I tried to cover it up, but it didn't work. So, next is a Spongeli.
Says exfoliate and cleanse all this at the same time. This hypoallergenic sponge has a time-release creamy lather made with extracts of yuzu, Edelweiss, and vetiver, V-E-T-I-V-E-R, vetiver. Moisturizes, rejuvenates, and restores your skin, leaving it soft as silk.
And I think they're both Fresh
peach
pear.
or pear. I got peach on my brain.
You do.
Catch.
I know, my cat's he's knocking stuff off my desk. It's craziness.
Yes.
And this was how much?
I can't smell it because I've been holding it with the lotion. Can't really smell it through the package.
Oh, I smelled it. It smells really good.
And this retails for $16.
Oh boy. Okay. The last thing that we could have gotten in our box is the Summer and Rose Brittany tote in black, navy, or cobalt blue. Now, I think we both got the navy.
Blue. She's got hers open so she can show you.
Yeah, I think it's both the navy. Isn't it both the navy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's really nice sized.
Yes.
The handles, I love these jute handles.
Yes, they're very...
Here, I'll let you show the inside and stuff. It says
The
rope handles, stripes on stripes, vegan leather. This tote deserves a spot in your handbag collection. It also features 2 pockets, making it easy to carry around the essentials. Colors will be randomly selected.
There's the 2 pockets.
It's deep. It's nice.
Yeah, the pockets are... Stick your cell phone in there, probably. Maybe. You got a older iPhone, maybe.
Oh, I can't show him mine.
Yeah.
I'm on my phone. Ah!
Oh, I don't...
Lord have mercy on me.
Oh, here's mine.
So the value of this box is $143, and we got for $5. Oh, I'm still smelling that hand lotion.
Yep,
I love it.
My phone did fit.
So it could fit a phone, a little
Mine's
wallet.
the Note 9, so...
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Awesome.
A very nice looking bag. But, yeah, it was $143 value.
A nice value for $5, I'm telling you.
Yeah, definitely.
It says at FabFitFun, we are about bringing
lotion.
you the best of the best. That's why we're especially excited to introduce the starter box. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products most loved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. Now, FabFitFun also, if you pay for like a yearly subscription, right up front, then you get first choice at the customizations. You get more customization choices, and your stuff ships earlier. If you pay monthly for your FabFitFun,
Or
like I do,
4 times a month. Or 4 times a year.
yeah, 4 times a year. If you pay monthly, then it ships at a later date. You get less customizations. You still get add-ons. Everybody can add on to their deal. My very first FabFitFun box was the fall box. And I added on an umbrella, and the value of the umbrella was like up there. And I paid $10 for it. So I wasn't complaining one bit. I was like, oh, yeah, I'll take that because I need an umbrella. And I got the teapot. If you guys have seen any reviews on the fall box. Now, my FabFitFun box won't be here until about the end of the month and probably later because of the holiday season. So you won't see that video until later. But that's okay. So for $5, $143 value, I am not complaining because, like I said, this hand cream, oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah. My hands still feel so...
That's the star of the show, in my opinion. I mean, it's not greasy.
My hands were really dry, too.
So were mine. But it's not great. And it soaked it right in. I mean, it's not greasy.
There's no...
Oh, it's lovely.
It's soft, yes.
It smells bomb. Oh,
Yeah.
it smells so awesome.
Yeah, it's lightly perfumed.
So
I should have done my nails.
I didn't.
No, I mean, look at them.
Oh.
I should have redone my nails, I guess.
At least you got something on your nails.
That's true.
I don't. I
keep
broke another
breaking
one
on
the other
me.
day.
Yeah.
It's just the dry. Hey, this might
Maybe-
help with the.
Yeah, might help with the nails.
Hey, we'll let you know in a later video.
Yeah.
We'll keep this by our bedstands and
Use it all
every
the time.
night.
Yeah.
Use it every morning and every night. And then we'll do a review on it.
Yeah.
That sounds like a great idea. And I'm going to use this. I'm going to let you know what I think about this. Because I think I have one coming in either my winter FabFitFun or I don't think it's my Boxy. That's the only ones that I have besides my Ipsy, and we know it ain't coming in Ipsy. Huh. I'll have to let you know at a later date, but I am going to give this a shot and give this a try.
Yeah, I'll try it out too.
Because I like the idea of it being infused, and it's multi-use, so you get more than one use out of this. I'm not sure how many uses you'll get. I'll leave that down in the description down below, roughly estimated how many uses you'll get out of this, because it'll vary from person to person. Like, I'm a bigger person. A smaller person will probably get more uses out of it than more skin space to cleanse.
Yeah.
So I'll let you know, and when I'm done with it, I'll let you know exactly how many uses I got. You know, I'll have no problem printing off a little sheet and go tick, 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 tick. So, I mean, as long as you don't leave it where the kids can leave it in the running water.
Yeah.
You know, things like that. It should last quite a while. I'm thinking about getting a basket of my stuff to take in and out of my bedroom. Is that bad? I got 2 girls that live in my house.
Teenage girls.
Yeah, teenage girls. So there's no such thing as a unused razor in this house. I wish there was, unless, well, except for the one I have hidden, and now I can't find it.
Oh, good job.
I think it already got found. But I am totally putting this gel piece in my freezer. Oh, it's covered in... Are you supposed to take it out of the plastic or leave it in the plastic?
I think it's supposed to stay in the plastic. Oh, maybe not.
Oh, that's a good question. I'll have to get on their website and find out if you're supposed to take it out of the plastic or leave it in the plastic, because I wasn't expecting it to come out of there in this. Especially when it came in a... Where'd that clear thing go?
I don't know where yours is. Oh, right here. No.
Yeah.
Its own little
Ziplocky baggie. Which would be great for traveling. It'd keep it clean.
Yeah, that's...
So I can't lose this. So I'm going to keep the little plastic baggie too, and when I put it back in, I'll use the baggie to put it back in with. That way it keeps this clean too. But that's pretty cool. I'm going to definitely stick that in my fridge, I think. I'm going to start with the fridge.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd put it in the freezer.
It's just gel.
Well, yeah, but it'd be super duper 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 cold.
No, but when you've been up all night, you want super duper 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 cold. So I'll definitely give that a go later on, because I like me a good eye mask. Maybe I'll take a nap. That'd be nice.
Yeah,
Oh, wait a minute. What is a nap?
I know, right?
So let us know what you think about the FabFitFun box starter box, because this is not the full-size box. Let us know what you think about the starter box, and if you're interested in getting your own starter box, leave us a comment down below. I'm sure between the two of us we can find at least 1 or 2 boxes to be able to shimmy on out.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us, and you guys have a fantastically wonderful day. Say bye.
Bye.